Guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. This is gonna be a short video where we will talk about the magic methods because these are very important to understand, because in the next lab, which is going to be the injecting arbitrary object, it is specifically important for you to understand these magic methods. Okay, so if you have basic understanding and if you worked before with any kind of language, you must have encountered these magic methods. Okay, so in context of the insecure deserialization, these magic methods can play a crucial role in insecure deserialization because they often define the behavior of an object when it is created or initialized or manipulated. Fine. So when an application deserializes the data, it may automatically invoke certain magic methods which lead to unintended consequences if the input data is crafted by an attacker or if the input data is malicious. So different languages have different magic methods, like PHP have underscore underscore construct underscore underscore init underscore underscore. This is method that belongs to Python. Similarly, Java has its own magic methods and Ruby has its own magic methods. Fine. So first of all, we will talk about some PHP magic methods. Okay. So in PHP, when a serialized object is deserialized, the underscore underscore wake up magic method, this one, okay, is automatically called if it exists. And this can be problematic if the deserialized object calls other methods that access sensitive data, and the underscore underscore wake up method performs actions that manipulate the application's state or interact with the external systems. So I would highly recommend you guys to read this content completely. So as you can see here, most importantly in this context, some languages have magic methods that are invoked automatically during the deserialization process. PHP uses unserialized method, looks for and invokes an object underscore underscore wake up magic method. So this is about PHP, but in Java you can see there is object input stream dot read object method. So in Java, deserialization can lead to insecure behavior when certain methods are called automatically, and we talk about this one, read object, before. So this read object method can be overridden to include security checks, but if it is not implemented, it can lead to arbitrary object creation and manipulation. And what happened, an attacker can craft a serialized object that invoke methods like finalize or call other methods during the deserialization process. So if you have more visibility over the uh, source code, and if you are performing white box testing, then it is going to be very easy for you. Okay, you can see here a read object method declared in exactly this way act as a magic method that is invoked during the deserialization. Okay, because it will read the data completely. So this allows the class to control the deserialization of its own fields more closely. Fine. Next thing which is missing here, which is Ruby. So in Ruby programming language, object can implement the initialize underscore with method, which is called upon deserialization. So if an attacker can control the serialized data, they may leverage this to inject malicious behavior into the application. And similarly in Python also, you already see they mention here one magic method which is underscore underscore init underscore underscore. So in Python, deserialization using the pickling, as I mentioned, the serialization is known as pickling. Okay, so the pickle module can be particularly dangerous as arbitrary Python code can be executed during the unpickling process. Okay, so unpickling means deserialization, pickling means serialization, unpickling means deserialization. So magic methods like underscore underscore set state underscore underscore and underscore underscore init can be invoked, allowing attackers to manipulate class behavior or access sensitive information. So this is very important for you to read it and understand it. So I would also highly recommend you guys to read this section also, because the next lab is going to be on this specific content. Okay, so it will be easy for you to understand and to solve the next lab where we are going to inject arbitrary object. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I hope you understand magic methods. So that's it. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.